Hello again, I'm Brian Rajot, Design Engineer of the UAK 1000 Universal Automation Kiosk. Today we will discuss the fusing on the UAK 1000. First off, you need to open the lid and make sure that the latch button clicks into place before you let go of the lid. Push down a little here and make sure it's locked into place. When closing the lid, push this button in, push back on it, and then lower the lid. There are 3 solid-state fusing modules in the UAK 1000. Fuse block 1, fuse block 2, and fuse block 3. Each fuse block has 4 channels, 1 through 4, programmable from 1 to 10 amps each. To program a channel for the current that you desire, make sure the light is green first, then press and hold it down for greater than 2 seconds. It will begin to flash yellow. There's 1 flash per programmed amp. So the default is 4 flashes you'll see, and that's 4 amps. To change the current for the channel, press the channel button the number of times equivalent to the number of amps you desire. Check that the flashing is equal to the desired current, and then press and hold the button for greater than 2 seconds, and then it will turn green. You can also toggle this button on and off to turn that channel off if you need to do maintenance. Here is a very important reminder. The factory default is 2 amps per channel for fuse block 1 and 2, 2 amps per channel over here, you can see on the label, and then 4 amps per channel on fuse block 3. They're the outputs over here, relay outputs. There's a total of 16 amps available right there, and 16 amps there. Keep in mind that the power supply will fold back at 20 amps total. So everything right at the fusing level would be 32 amps and you'd be folding back. But usually everything doesn't run at the same time. You have to make decisions of what you put on each. All the common wires are blue with a white trace. There is no label on these common wires. All the 24-volt DC wires are labeled with the fuse block 1-1, which is the channel. It is associated with the first channel in the fuse block 1. Labeling tells you what you're hooking to. There are these sections of contact blocks throughout the panel, and they're labeled. This one is being powered by fuse block 2/2. Then you have commons you can use. The first fuse block is on all the time. These inputs are tied directly to the 24-volt DC. These 2 are for outputs. They are switched on when you have a valid reset of the e-stop circuit. Thank you, and I hope that this information about the 24-volt DC fusing in the UAK 1000 kiosk has been helpful to you. Thank you and have a good day.